Good morning children. Welcome to maths class. So in the previous class we completed chapter 8 perimeter and area. Am I correct children? Yes. So now in this class we are going to start chapter 9. Okay. We are going to start chapter 9. So what is the name of chapter 9? Fractions 1. Okay. Fractions 1. First we are given pep activity children. Varun, Subha and Shweta ate a part of their lunches during their snacks break. Okay, Varun, Shubha and Shweta ate part of their lunches during their snacks break. The parts eaten by each of them is given. Okay, here this is Varun's chapati, dosa and omelette. Write how much each of them ate as a fraction. Okay, here you have to write how much each of them ate. So first here Varun chapati. First count. So here chapati made some equal pieces. Am I correct children? Yes. So Varun ate only this part. So he ate only one part. Okay. Total how many parts it is? So here the total chapati made up of 6 parts. In that Varun ate only one part. So total how many parts children? 6. He ate only one part. Means he ate 1/6 of the chapati. 1/6 portion of the chapati. And Subhash, so here how many parts it is children? Let us count the total number of parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total here dosa is made by 8 parts. Total number of parts 8 and he ate only 1. Next here children. Let us count number of parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here total number of parts 7 and 8 only 1. So here it is 1/6. So how can we read this children? 1/6. 1/8. 1/7. Even though they all ate one part each. Do you think they eat same amount? So here in these 3 members ate only one part. That means they ate same amount children? No. Here this chapati made by 6 parts and it is made by 8 and it is 7. Means everyone here 3 members ate same amount children? No. So tick no. What do the numerator and denominator present? Okay, the numerator represent. Okay, here listen children. This is numerator. Okay, here this is numerator and 1 is numerator and 6 is denominator. Okay, 1 is numerator, 6 is denominator. So means what numerator represents children? So numerator represents number of parts taken. Okay, number of parts taken or number of parts chosen. Okay, number of parts taken or number of parts chosen. And denominator represents the number of, okay children, numerator represents number of already given now. So number of parts taken or chosen. And the denominator represents the number of here given now children. So strike out this number of. So here the denominator shows total number of parts. Okay, here total 6 parts now. So this is denominator. Next, a fraction is a part of the whole and is represented by part by whole. Okay children, note down the definition. What means fraction children? Fraction means a part of a whole given now here, right? Fraction is a equal parts of a whole. Okay, fraction means equal parts of a whole. Okay, remember this definition. Fraction means equal parts of a whole. So here this chapati is made equal parts or not equal parts children? So this is made equally. 6 parts are equal and here 8 parts are equal and here 7 parts are equal. Okay, fraction means equal parts of a whole. Okay, next The numerator of three fractions is, so what is the numerator of three fractions? 1. This is numerator 1. Okay, 1, 1. So the numerator of three fractions is 1. Such fractions are called unit fractions. Okay, the numerator of fraction is 1, means that type of fractions are called unit fractions. Okay, children. Okay, what is unit fraction? The numerator of the fraction is 1 is called unit fraction. Okay, next. Look at Rohan's cupboard. 1/4 of the cupboard filled with book. Okay, here totally this is the cupboard, children. Here given 4 shelves. So in one shelf is filled with books. No, means here total how many shelves here? 4 shelves. In that books filled with 1 only. No, so that's why it is 1/4 of the cupboard is filled with books. Okay, here totally 4 shelves, children. In that one shelf is filled with books. No, means it is 1/4 of the cupboard filled with books. Look for such unit fractions in your surroundings. List at least 3 fractions. Okay, list at least 3 fractions. Okay, here you have to write any 3 unit fraction, children. For example, write like this: 1/2 of the milk in the glass. Okay, 1/2 of the milk in the glass means half of the glass filled. So here 1/2, this is unit fraction or not, children? 1 in numerator is 1. No, means it is unit fraction. Right here 1/2. 1/2 of the milk in the glass. And you have to write more example, children, like 1/4 of the people attending birthday parties, like that. No, children, in your class also 1/3 of the students like mathematics, and 1/4 of the students like Hindi, and 1/8 of the students like English, like that, children. Okay, children, like that you have to complete remaining 2. Write the fractions of the colored part for each shape. Okay, open companion, children, page number 63. Okay, write fraction of the colored part. Okay, here, children, so how many of them are colored here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here only colored 5 out of, so total how many here? So totally 10. In that only 5 colored. No, children. So total 5. So total 10. In that 5 only colored, means 5 out of 10 parts is colored. Okay, children, here 3 only colored out of how many? 8. 3 out of 8 parts colored. Okay, like that you have to complete. Next, read each scenario and write the fraction of the colored parts. Sam wanted 6/8 of the cake. Color the portion cake that Sam wanted. Okay, here Sam wanted how many, children? 6/8. So 6/8. Okay, 6/8 of the cake. So here is 8. No, children, means he want only 6 parts, means you have to color 6 parts. Okay, like this. Okay, this is 4 parts. No, okay, this is 4 parts, and you have to color total 6. Okay, you have to color fully, children. So here I colored, no, like this you have to color 6. Why? Because you are given no 6/8 part of the cake he wants, means you color only 6 parts. So what is numerator here? Number of parts chosen. Okay, he wants only 6. No, 6 is numerator and total parts is 8. 8 is denominator. Okay, so fraction in the colored part. So how many of them are colored? 6/8. Okay, colored. So total is 8 and colored only 6. Okay, children, like that you have to color this one also, children, page number 65. Here you have to color 3 parts, and here you have to color half, means 2. Okay, 1 and 2, these 2 color, and 9A. What fraction of the shape is colored? Okay, here given 2, 1 is colored, means 1/2. Okay, and here 1 only colored, and total parts 4. 1/4. Okay, like that you have to complete this one also, children. Okay, What means fraction, children? Equal parts of a whole. Okay. This is about today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.